Hi everyone, here's a quick video of how to nominate yourself in this year's RUSU elections. First of all, head to the RUSU website, rusu.co.uk/elections, and log on using your university email and password. Now in this video, we're clicking on a tab that says Review Nominations, but it will appear to you as Stand-in Election in the same location. Make sure you fill in all your details, and it's really important that you also self-define in this section to ensure any roles that you're eligible for appear in the list below and also on your voting ballot. Once you've decided what position to run for, simply click on the Stand tab where you can submit your nomination. The next step is to upload a manifesto. For those of you unsure about what a manifesto is, it's basically a written summary of what you would like to achieve in the role. For more guidance, you can find our official manifesto guidelines on the RUSU website. You are welcome to submit your manifesto either by uploading a Word document or by typing it straight into the text box. The word limit for the manifesto is 250 words, however it's important to note that we require all candidates to sum up their 3 main aims for the role that they've picked in an additional 3 bullet points which have a total word limit of 50 words. For example, if you've nominated yourself for the president role and your 3 main aims are sustainability, employability and social space, these bullet points will then appear on the candidate's webpage that students can look at to help them cast their votes. You can also upload an A4 poster to appear on the candidate's webpage to help you with your election campaign. This can include your manifesto points or simply be about who you are. It's up to you. For more guidance and the poster requirements, check the elections webpage. You can quickly and easily make any changes to your manifesto at any point before the manifesto deadline, so don't fret too much about getting it right the first time. To complete your nomination, you must also complete the candidate's consent form. This can either be found in your nomination acknowledgement email or at rusu.co.uk/surveys/candidate consent. The deadline for completing the form is 12 PM on Friday the 14th of February. If you have any questions, then please get in contact with us at elections@rusu.co.uk. Don't miss out on your chance to fulfil your potential in a unique, rewarding and social role within your union.